Hey everybody, it's unboxing time again. Kathy Pace at ZKTeco, and I'm here with my buddy Joe.
Hey, Kathy.
Hi Joe. Today we're going to unbox the SF1008-WP.
Hey, Kathy, what's the WP stand for?
Weatherproof.
And what's the 8 mean?
It means it's 8 inches across.
And what does the SF mean?
Oh, that's speed phase. So that is one of our part numbers, how we identify it's a facial authentication unit. It's a speed phase.
Yep.
All right, so I'm going to unbox.
Let's see what we have here.
Protective coating. And here is the actual unit itself. It's very sleek. You can see it's 8 inches across, and it comes with a back plate included. There you go, Joe. I'm going to let you hold that.
I'll hold this.
And then, of course, power supplies. And we have
Here's all our wiring.
wiring,
I have a screwdriver that comes with it.
free screwdriver. And it comes with one card, Joe.
And an RFID card. So this is a 4-factor unit, so it can authenticate people 4 different ways. You can do facial recognition. You can do palm recognition. Both face and palm are no touch. You can also do keypad, and you can do RFID with the card. This can be, it has a Wiegand output, so you can add it to a system that has a Wiegand input. So it's a nice way to add biometrics to a system that might not have biometrics. You can use it in standalone mode, so you can enroll and you can authenticate on the unit, or it can control the lock directly. And you can use it with or without our software, so you can have a number of these networked together to share templates. So you can enroll in one and then have that template be pushed out to all the others. You know what else, Kathy?
What?
It's IK04 vandal resistant.
Oh.
It's IP68 rated. And I think there's one more thing.
I think it's in stock.
It's in stock.
All right. Well, that's it for today. Short video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.